Hey there, it's Megan with WTI, and there is almost nothing I enjoy doing more than having a long, luxurious bath. But not all bath products are friendly towards my skin. For that reason, I am really glad to have discovered this Soakness Hydrogen Peroxide Bath. I experience sensitive skin and I also get eczema flare-ups. That's why I am really concerned about the ingredients that go inside my skincare. I was really happy to note that this bath soak contains colloidal oatmeal. Any skincare that I have used in the past that contains this ingredient has been really soothing and helpful at controlling my eczema flare-ups. I'm a big fan of the fact that this comes in individual single-use packaging. This makes it really easy and takes all the guesswork out of how much to put in my bath, and it also makes it really convenient for giving as gifts and for packing for a weekend away for some self-care. I absolutely love the clean, classic eucalyptus scent to this. Using this soak feels just so therapeutic to all my senses. It makes for a very relaxing bath, and then when I get out of the bath, my skin feels very soft and soothed. Now I can enjoy my rejuvenating baths for an even longer time without having to be worried that my skin is going to be irritated or dried out at the end of it. And that's my point of view.